came down so far so that wherever we put this one, if we're going to put it here or over here, I still have room for a little tape. Okay, if you cut it so close to it, it's, yeah. And so once we do that, yeah.
So far, we learn a lot of stuff online through watching like videos and stuff, and learning like the basics of trim work and a bunch of other things, drywall, etc. Every week we have a one in-person class, and it's real hands-on learning, and it's pretty good class. It's our first week back for a while, and I'm glad to be back.
I don't know roughly, but like I said, I feel like this would be good because it fits in here, so you don't have to scram it in. I'll mark it and then see if Mr. Minor approves.
This is bigger.
The grain, yeah, like that. Use this side to measure whatever you're measuring.